In this video, we will solve systems of equations using the substitution method. And so in the first equation we have is y is equal to 4x. The second equation is minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 4. And so what we want to do for this problem is find a value for x and y where both of these equations will be true. And we'll solve this problem using the substitution method. So in this first line, we're saying that y is equal to 4x. And so if I want to use a substitution method, I will replace y here with 4x, since the first line tells us y is equal to 4x. So instead, I will say that minus 2x plus, instead of y, I'm going to put 4x. I am simply replacing y with this 4x here, because y is equal to 4x. And so this right here is equal to minus 4. And so now I'm going to group the x's. So minus 2x plus 4x is 2x is equal to minus 4. And so x is equal to minus 2. And so this is an answer. And now we want to solve for y. Now we can simply plug in minus 2 for x and we would get y. So y is equal to 4 parentheses minus 2, and we would get minus 8. So y is equal to minus 8. And so the solution will be negative 2 comma negative 8. And so we can box this in. So this is telling us that x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 8. And we can try this. If we plug in minus 2 for x, we get 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, and y is minus 8. So it's true. And now we will solve another problem using the exact same method. So we want to solve a system of equation using the substitution method. We have 4x plus y is equal to 4, and 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. So we want to find a value for x and y where both of these statements will be true. And this is slightly one more step we need to do. Instead of saying 4x plus y is equal to 4x, we could say that y is equal to 4 minus 4x. I'm simply isolating the y. So y is equal to 4 minus 4x. This will be important. And so in this step, I'm going to replace y with 4 minus 4x. And so what we will get here is 2x minus 4 parentheses this. 4 minus 4x is equal to 5. And now we will multiply this out. And so we would get 2x minus 16, because minus 4 times 4 is minus 16. Minus 4 times minus 4x will be plus 16x is equal to 5. Now we will group. So 2x plus 16x is 18x is equal to 5 plus 16. So that would be 21. And so x would equal 21 over 18. We can divide this term and this term by 3. And so that would be 7 over 16. And so this right here is our x value. So this is one answer. Now we need to get y. So let me scroll down a little bit. So we know that x is 7 over 6. And we said that y is equal to 4 minus 4x. So now we want to solve for y. So y is equal to 4 minus 4 parentheses. Instead of x, we can say 7 over 6. And so we would get, so instead of 4, we could say 24 over 6 minus, so 4 times 7 is 28, so minus 28 over 6. And so this would equal minus 4 over 6, which is equal to minus 2/3. And so this right here is our y value. And so now we just need to say x and y. And so we said our x value was 7 over 6, so 7 over 6, and our y value was minus 2/3. And so we simply need to box this answer in. And if you wanted to check this answer, you could do so by plugging in 7 over 6 for x, minus 2/3 for y, and that would be 4. Likewise, we would plug 7 over 6 for x here, and minus 2/3 for y here, and that would be 5. And that's all we need to do to solve systems of equations using the substitution method.